there. So in this video you will see how you can create a website in Site123 website builder. Site123 is a free website builder for anyone to use. It's a simple drag and drop editor. So in this video we will see how you can create a business website, a blog and an online store. So let's get started. Alright, so to get started you have to go to site123.com. There's the link in the description. You can click on that and you will be taken to Site123. Here you have to click on start here. Then you have to register with your email ID and you have to verify your email ID. Then you will be able to log into the dashboard. So the dashboard is something like this, where you can see my existing websites are there, and if I want to create a new website I can create it from here. So before moving further I want to show my one of my website. Let's see one of my store that I just created using Site123 only. So this is what the online store looks like when you create it with Site123. And these are the products. As you can see, here is the menu, here is the contact us form, here is the about us page, then there is a cart, and these are the new arrivals section. If I click on any of this item I can see the option to add to cart. I can hover over and see in detail how the product looks like. Then it is also showing me the related products. So whatever you see in a standard online store is you can build it with Site123. Once I click on add to cart, it will be added to cart. Then I can simply make an order. Then I have to fill in all the details. Then there are three options where you have to fill in details, your delivery option, then payment. So everything is done for you. Let's see how we can create such kind of websites and other website like business and a blog. So to create a website you have to go to your dashboard and click on this icon, this plus sign. Then you can click on create a website, and here you have two options. You can either create for yourself or for your client. I'll click on create a new website for myself, and I will choose a business website. Let's first create a business website. So here I have to give the name of my website. Suppose I will give it a name as my name only, and I'll click on open a website. Once I click on open a website, it will build a basic template for me and on that template I can build or add, remove other templates or other things or content. So let's click on open a new website. So it will build a template for me. Once it is done, so this is basically a tutorial. You can watch this tutorial or you can skip to your designed website. So here you will see this is a template. This is ready-made template for you. You can add in more sections. You can play around with the sections. Before doing any changes to this template, let me publish this and let me show you how it looks on inside a browser with the URL. So this is the default URL that you will be getting, and if you want paid or a custom domain you can choose it from here. Again there are affordable plans over there. So let's go for the sake of this video, let's stick to the by default domain that Site123 is offering to us. So this is how the website currently appearing. This menu is actually a single page website. You can create a multi-page website as well. So once you go here, continue editing, inside setting you can say website type, and then you can say multi-page website. So this is actually suitable for store and big website, but you are building a single page website, then this website is fine. So this is how you create a business website. Now I will show you how you can change the templates and everything. So let's change the layout of this template. I'll click on template, I'll choose this one, and see everything is changed. Now you can see consulting and coaching, and the image is changed, the background is changed. Then suppose I want to remove or change this layout of this about a section as well. I'll click on this section, I will click on layouts, and I'll choose a different layout. Suppose I want this one. So here you go, you can see the about the section is changed. Suppose service section, I don't want service section here, I want it above the about page. Then I can drag it over with using this arrow keys. If I click it, see, you can see the service section is just above the about section, and there is this contact us page, contact us section. So this is how this basic business website is built using Site123. Now let's publish this, and again let's visit the website. So this is how it is now, and now we will see how we can create a blog. Go to your dashboard and click on continue editing, go to pages and add new page. Here you have to search for blog, and you will see a different blog section is there, or you can just scroll down and select the blog type. Here you can see a blog type, and then you can choose accordingly. Suppose I like this one, I'll add this. So now blog page is added to our site. Let's see it in live. Here you can see there's a blog page. If I click on it, it will scroll down to the blog section, and here I can click on any individual blog post and read the blog post this way. There's this option of related blog post as well, and any visitor can comment over here. So there's name, email ID, post, comment. So everything is done for you basically when it comes to Site123. Again, now let's see how we can create the online stores. So I'll click continue editing, and what I'll do now, I'll publish, this one is published. I'll go back to dashboard and I'll create a new website, online store. So I'll go back to dashboard, I'll create on this plus icon one more time. I create a website, create a new website for yourself. I'll click on online store, I'll say my new or my store or my digital store. Okay, and I'll click on open a website. Again, it will take a time and it will build the basic template for you. Again, there are these tutorials. So this is it, this is done for you. That this template contains almost the basic of an online store. Let me publish it and show you what existing already existing in there in this template. So we can publish it and we'll see the online store here. So here it is, here is the online store. Okay, so this is the home page. Here you can see new arrivals, these are the products, these are the hot categories. Again, you can play around and add more categories. This is the about us section, and this is the contact us page. And in the menu also you can see different categories are there. Women apparels are there, men's and about. You can add more categories just by simply adding the new page. Suppose I want to add one product to the cart. I'll go here, I'll click on this product, I'll click on add to cart, and the cart will be shown at the right side. And if I want to continue shopping, I can click on continue shopping and add more products. Like I'll go to men and I'll click here, I'll add to this cart. Again, I have 2 items in my cart. Now I can place an order. So this is the page where you can put in all your details, your address, your delivery options and your payment option, and make an order. So this is how the online store is. Again, you can make any changes you want. As you come into your dashboard, you can change the layout, the above fold layout. If you want to add more categories, you can do that as well. Let's see. So here it is. So if I want to add FAQs to my store, so I can do that as well. So here it is, the FAQs are there. So this is how you build a business website, a blog, and an online store with Site123. So Site123 is a wonderful tool for those who want to create a website real quick, small websites for small businesses basically. And these are hosted free with a with a default domain, but if you want a custom domain, you can buy. The plans are really affordable, so you can go with it. So that is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you have any doubts regarding Site123, you can comment below this video. I will have more than happy to help you. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.